Best OBS recording settings for low-end PC. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So in order to get best OBS recording settings for low-end PC, first of all you have to launch the OBS Studio on your device. After that, click on the File menu at top left corner of the screen. And a drop-down menu box appears where you have to click on Settings. On the left panel, you will get bunch of different options. Select output. And here at the top you will see output mode. Simply click on the output mode and you have to set to advanced. Talking about the bitrate, you need to simply click on it and you have to keep it to 24 and 50 kbps. Talking over the audio rate, keep it to 160, video encoder to software X264, and come to the recording place where you have to click on the recording path and choose the path where you would like to save your recordings. And here is the recording quality set to high quality and the medium file size. The recording format to MPEG MP4, and after that click on video encoder and set it to hardware as 264 and the audio encoder to AAC default. And after you do all this settings, you need to close this bar and tap the yes button. After that, you will easily get best OBS recording settings for your low-end PC. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.